Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Khairul Ikhwan bin Nordin from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. In this video, I will talk about the Sustainability Development Goal. Goal 13 is about the climate action. What is the climate action? Life exists on the planet Earth because we are just the right distance from the sun, so it's not too hot and not too cool. Earth is home to many species of plant and animal that live in the deepest ocean, the hottest desert, and the biggest city. It's our responsibility to protect their ecosystem because even though humans have only been around for a smallest part of Earth's history, our actions are harming the health of our planet. Earth's atmosphere is like a greenhouse. It traps warmth from the sun rays and become conditions are just right as they have been for thousands of years. Life can flourish here, but Earth temperature is rising dangerous. For the problem and causes, plastic waste is one of the major contributors to pollution, which have a great impact on human health and the environment. Open burning of waste material, including plastic, release a variety of toxic pollution, which include persistent organic pollution, also known as POPs dioxin, into the air and can exacerbate soil pollution, water pollution, food contamination, and harm the food chain. Dioxin is persistent and can stay long in soil, water, food, and the food chain. Inhaling of smoke containing dioxin can cause lung cancer. Open burning of waste material can generate significant amount of greenhouse gases being released into the atmosphere, and other types of air pollution such as arsenic, mercury, PCB, lead, gas nitrogen, and sulfur oxide as well. For the effect, short-term exposure to excess level of dioxin, furan, and other types of aerial emission can cause chronic skin lesion. The long-term health impact of dioxin exposure beyond acceptable level are quite severe, such as several cases of respiratory disease, immunotoxicity development, toxicity neurological and neurodevelopment problem, hormonal disruption, and reproductive issue. Dioxin and furan are also dangerous for children, babies, and unborn fetus. It has been found to be transmitted through human meat and through placenta of children in their development years. Did you know that we actually have most of the green technologies to deal with this problem? This device named Smoke Vacuum Cleaner, it sucks up pollution from the sky and clean it on a nano level. This smoke-free tower clean the deadly PM2 and PM10 particle. It does have an impact on a local scale, but if we scale, it can have a direct impact on a city scale. Those are the smoke that have been sucked from the urban skies. It's same as 17 piece cigarette per day. In the future, we should not exist by putting the smoke particle on high pressure. It can make free ring, and by sharing a small free ring, we can donate 1,000 cubic meter of clean air to the city where the smoke-free town. Other alternative of open burning waste, home biogas is really helpful. The bacteria digest the waste and turn it into biogas. The appliance can take up to 6 liters of waste per day and can produce up to 3 hours of cooking gas. Also, it can make the fertilizer. It can manage to reduce the waste. As an individual, we have to develop a sense of personal responsibility with regard to waste and its environmental impact. By practicing 3Rs and recycling initiative by separation of waste, most of the items taken out of open burning are often reusable. For the items that cannot be put into reuse, they can be submitted to recycling plant for further processing. The others way by make awareness about the open burning. Awareness should be made in the entire world to sensitize people about the harmful effect of open burning. For the conclusion, climate change is the biggest challenge humanity has ever faced. Human is the problem and the solver. The impact of open burning to the environment in emission of acid carbon and air pollution. Lastly, feedback to us in a sea cause global warming and lead to increasing of flood in these years. So take the 13 Sustainability Development Goal climate action to reduce the carbon. I really believe you all can make the world better.